Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, where we compare, contrast, and sometimes even roast products to help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, or as I like to call it, Roo. And on the right, we have the Tikom L8000, which I shall lovingly refer to as Tiki. Who will win the battle of the bots? Stick around to find out. Let's start with the first thing that hits your wallet: the price. Roo comes in at $269. Not bad, right? It's like the budget-friendly friend who always brings chips to the party. Now, Tiki over here is a bit more bougie, priced at $399. This one's like that friend who insists on ordering the lobster at a group dinner and then forgets their wallet. So if you're into saving money, Roo takes the crown in this round. Next up, let's talk cleaning power. Roo uses a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes and an edge sweeping brush. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuuming. Reviewers have mentioned that it's particularly effective for homes with pets and hardwood floors, though it can get stuck on thicker rugs. On the flip side, Tiki boasts a whopping 3,000 pascals suction power and even ramps it up automatically on carpets. This thing could probably suck the dust off your soul, and it doesn't stop there. Tiki also has a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature. Reviewers love its ability to handle multiple surfaces and its intelligent navigation, making it a game changer for simplifying cleaning tasks. Clearly, in the battle of cleaning prowess, Tiki takes the cake, or should I say, the dust bunnies. Moving on to smart features, Roo learns your cleaning habits and integrates with Google Assistant and Alexa. You can just yell at it to start cleaning. It's basically like having a teenager who actually listens. Reviewers have noted its efficiency in navigating around obstacles, though it sometimes needs manual intervention. Tiki, however, is the overachiever here. With 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, it can store up to 5 maps, making it perfect for multi-floor homes. And it also has 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls. It's like having a tiny, obsessive-compulsive butler. Plus, you can control it with the Tuya Smart app. Tiki is like the valedictorian who also plays 3 sports and volunteers on weekends. So if you want the creme de la creme of smart features, Tiki wins this round hands down. Now, let's talk about battery life. Roo runs for 90 minutes before it needs a nap. It's like your average house cat. Active for a bit, then straight back to the charging dock. Reviewers appreciate its time-saving capabilities, but note it can get noisy. Tiki, on the other hand, can go for a solid 150 minutes in quiet mode. And if it runs low on juice, it'll auto-recharge and resume cleaning right where it left off. Basically, Tiki could clean your house, your neighbor's house, and still have energy left to vacuum Mars. Reviewers rave about its long battery life and efficient cleaning cycles. So for those marathon cleaning sessions, Tiki is the clear winner. Overall, reviewers find the iRobot Roomba 692 to be a reliable, budget-friendly option that excels in basic cleaning tasks and is particularly good for pet owners, though it can struggle with thicker rugs and has some noise issues. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is praised for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and additional mopping feature, making it a versatile and high-performing option, albeit at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget, Roo is your go-to. It's got decent features and a friendly price tag. But if you're ready to splurge for the ultimate cleaning experience, Tiki is the robot vacuum of your dreams. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. And tell us in the comments, which vacuum would you pick, Roo or Tiki Tiki? Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.